Hey everyone, this is Angel the Wild Southern Rose, and these are my angel doll ornaments. If you like these little cuties and would like to see a tutorial, like the video. If I get 25 likes on this video, I will post a tutorial on how I made these along with the supplies and where I got them so that you can create these yourself. These would make perfect gifts to give to your family, friends, co-workers, or even just to keep for yourself to hang on your tree this holiday season. So remember, if you like what you see, give me a like. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.